Welcome to my channel. Hey, it's been a long time since we last met. How have you been?
I've been good, just busy with work. What about you?
I heard you started a new job. How's it going?
It's going well, but I am still getting used to the new schedule.
Do you remember the trip we planned last year?
Of course. We should really make it happen this time.
Are you free this weekend? Maybe we can go hiking.
That sounds amazing. I haven't been hiking in months.
What are you reading these days?
I am reading a novel about time travel. It's fascinating.
Have you tried that new cafe near the park?
Yes, I went there last week. The coffee is really good.
I am thinking of learning a new language.
That's great. Which one are you interested in?
I am so tired of staying at home all the time.
I know, me too. Let's plan something fun.
Did you watch the latest episode of the series?
Yes, the ending was such a surprise.
I think we should meet more often.
I agree. Life is too short to stay apart for so long.
Have you been to the new shopping mall yet?
Not yet, but I have heard it's really big.
I am thinking of buying a bicycle.
That's great idea. It's good for health and the environment.
Let's go see movie this Friday.
Sure. What kind of movie do you want to watch?
Do you cook at home often?
Yes, I love trying new recipes.
I think I have gained some weight recently.
Don't worry, we can start working out together.
I forgot to bring my umbrella today.
Don't worry, I have an extra one.
I saw a funny video last night.
Send it to me. I love funny videos.
How do you usually spend your weekends?
I usually relax and read books.
Have you tried yoga before?
Yes, it really helps to reduce stress.
I am thinking of visiting the beach this weekend.
That sounds relaxing. I did love to join you.
I need to buy a gift for my sister's birthday.
How about a nice handbag?
The weather is getting really hot these days.
Yes, summer is definitely here.
Did you see the sunset yesterday?
Yes, it was so beautiful and colorful.
I'm thinking about changing my hairstyle.
That's exciting. Do you have a style in mind?
I want to learn how to swim this year.
That's a great skill to have. I can teach you.
I can't believe it's already August.
Time really flies.
I feel like going for a long drive tonight.
Count me in. I love night drives.
I saw your painting on social media. It's amazing.
Thank you. I have been practicing a lot lately.
Let's join a cooking class together.
That sounds fun.
Do you believe in luck?
Sometimes, but I think hard work matters more.
I stayed up late watching a documentary yesterday.
What was it about?
Do you want to go hiking this weekend?
Sure. I need some fresh air.
I heard you bought a new phone.
Yes, and the camera quality is amazing.
I am learning to play the guitar.
That's awesome. Can you play a song for me?
Do you like spicy food?
I love it, but I cannot eat it every day.
I have started going to the gym regularly.
That's great. How's it going?
I think I'm getting better at cooking pasta.
Next time, invite me for dinner.
Have you watched that new TV series?
Not yet, but I've heard it's very popular.
I love listening to music while working.
Same here, it makes me more focused.
Do you believe in New Year's resolutions?
I make them, but I rarely keep them.
I'm planning a trip abroad next year.
That's exciting. Which country?
I've started reading more self-help books.
That's a great habit.
Do you remember our school picnic?
Of course. That was such a fun day.
I need some advice about my career.
I'm here for you. Tell me everything.
I want to start a YouTube channel.
That's great. What's your topic?
Have you tried painting before?
Yes, but I'm not very good at it.
I lost my wallet yesterday.
Oh no. Did you find it?
I'm thinking of learning a new language.
Which one are you interested in?
I feel really tired these days.
Maybe you need to get more sleep.
Life feels so busy lately.
Yes, but we should still find time for ourselves.